Hi everybody, it's Jen and I want to show you a much more affordable dupe to the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. This is the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette, breaking it out of the dust bag here. And this little guy is $745. Quite a chunk of change, but recently I also picked up a budget-friendly alternative from the website Dress Up Your Purse. This was a collaboration with Hello Catwalk City, one of my favorite luxury YouTube channels, so let's unbox this. This lovely small leather good comes in a very nice, very sturdy dust bag, and it is actual leather. So this is sort of a pebbled leather. Here's a side-by-side comparison. The Dress Up Your Purse version of the Mini Pochette is a tiny bit bigger. It's also quite a bit thicker, so it can probably fit more. It also has very lovely piping detail. And what I like about this version is you can remove the straps on either side. So this could be a clutch purse or just a little catch-all. So let's see what's inside here. This is an extra strap I did purchase separately, and I will link everything below in the description box. I am a Dress Up Your Purse affiliate now, so that's pretty exciting. And this is the little chain that comes with the pouch. Let's remove some of the stuffing. It comes really nicely packaged. And if you'll notice, this Dress Up Your Purse Mini Pochette actually has a real lining, which is honestly one of my gripes with the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette, is that if you compare these, the Dress Up Your Purse version just feels a lot more substantial than the monogram canvas Louis Vuitton version. Notice if you look inside here, this is not an actual lining. This is pretty much just like a canvas backing. The edges are bound so that you don't see the raw seams. But in my opinion, as a sewist, this is not an actual lining. If you look at the Dress Up Your Purse version, there is an actual full lining. You can see the zipper tape is not exposed. Oh, there's a very nice little leather label on the inside too. Great gold hardware. There's a zip pocket on one side, and then there is a slip pocket on the other side. So I actually plan to use this as my daily carry. I think it's super cute, and I love that it has a bit of color to it. This is only $89, so you could buy 8 of these. Literally 8 of these before you could buy 1 of these. Now they obviously are different. If you are a Louis Vuitton fanatic, I get it. The $745 may be worth it to you. But if you just love the style and you want something a bit more affordable, then I would definitely recommend the Dress Up Your Purse Hello Catwalk City version. I think this version is actually more functional than the Louis Vuitton version, and I just love the color. Let's put the little chain on. How cute is this? So you could carry this as a little mini bag, but you could also take this longer chain, and let me show you what to do with this. You can actually attach multiple chains like this. You can wear this as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag with the shorter chain as extra details. So I think this is super cute. I can use this longer strap for a number of different things. So look how cute this is. So I will link everything below, but I just wanted to show you that this is a much more affordable dupe for the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette, which is sometimes hard to get and it is very expensive. So if this is for you, this does come in a few different colors on the website. Sometimes they are out of stock because this is a very popular item, but hopefully you'll be able to get your hands on one. Anyways, I'm Jen and I hope you found this video helpful. Check out my other video where I explain why I bought these Louis Vuitton items, because they're actually not for me to use every day. So it's kind of an interesting story, but I hope you enjoyed this and I will see you next time.